Hi, welcome to another one of Daniel and John's videos, and today we'll be looking at a wheel clamp to really enhance security to your trailer, caravan or even car. So we bought this BlueSpot one. They're available in multi-locations. This was about, how much was this?
40 odd quid.
40 odd quid. It says security 10, registered trademark on this. It's normally a clue that they're fairly respectable company. BlueSpot tools, looks like they're based in the UK, which is quite good. Heavy duty wheel lock, model number 77095. Okay, so it comes in a box. It had polystyrene packaging, and it came with an instructional manual. There we go. There. It does require a little bit of assembly, not a lot, and the assembly concerns these 4 bolts there, and the head recesses in there, and at the bottom you'll need a size 10 spanner, or socket set for this. And just look how I've got this. These are facing away from this, facing inwards, these bits here. Yep. So this is basically, it's yellow, it's really bright. It looks like it's a spray paint. To be honest, it's not powder coated, and then comes with this galvanized hook that locks the wheel clamp in place. That's really it. Comes with a couple of keys.
Three keys.
Three keys. It says 2, but it's 3. We'd recommend that you squirt a bit of oil in there before applying it.
And that's the locking pin, which I'll show you how that works in there.
So turn your key,
so that disengages it,
and you slide your thing with the holes in there.
Yep.
So the best thing I can do is show you.
Yep.
You'll see here it's got a little stubby bit that goes on the floor. Now this has got mud guards on it, this, and it's still quite easy to fit. So just pop it in there like that, stick it in like that. There's a hole in there, as you can see. Turn your key. You can hear me turning the key. What I'm going to do is just push it home, and it clicks, and I'll just take the key out, and that is it. That's your clamp on. I'm not saying it wouldn't stop somebody, a real determined thief, but it's quite visible.
if he was really determined, it wouldn't. But
Put it this way:
it's a deterrent.
anybody trying to get this off in the dead of night would wake you up. So it's a real plus. So this is just another security measure for a trailer, caravan. That would help. We'll put a link to this on our site where you can get it from. I'd say the simplicity of design, 10 out of 10 for it. It's a really good, simple product. I like the high visibility, and I love the ease of use. It's really good. The only thing that it's a shame, if you need to get another key, there's no number or anything on it.
It says they're unique to this, so you have to keep them spare.
Yeah,
safe.
So even if it had
security reasons,
even if this was 6006, at least you could try and get another key from somewhere. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Another good design feature with it, which isn't readily obvious, is you'll notice that the lock is pointing at the floor.
Yeah.
This keeps the rain off it, basically, and helps protect it. And it's more difficult to get to if you're trying to undo it or something. But obviously, the only downside I can see with this, I've not tried it, is if you had a hacksaw there and just cut through this, it would make the entire thing redundant. But this is, any security measure isn't 100% foolproof. It's a deterrent. That's all it is deterrent.
Think twice about maybe doing something.
Yeah, because trailers and caravans are going missing because people are in the neighbourhood and they spot it and think, oh, I'll come back later and take that home with me. Well, it's quite difficult. We've got a clamp on here, and we've also got the hitch lock that we've done another video on.
Yeah, we'll upload that as well. Which
would be of interest. I love the hitch lock. It's so simple. Anyway, if this has helped you secure your vehicle or put your mind at rest, we'd appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel, please. We have lots of different videos on our channel all the time, depending what we're up to. Thanks for watching.